Hello, comrades. Today, we will be discussing a very well-known issue that is often presented to me. And this issue is, how do your parents deal with your eccentricity? As you know, I have a lot of it. So as you can see, I'm wearing a crazy hat, some really cheap goggles, and a snorkel. Now, I'm going to be presenting my mother after I find her with this, which is actually a bunch of spring rolls, a couple floppy disks, and a disturbing picture of myself. Oh, this is gonna be funny. Okay, ready? We are now ready to go on the hunt. I'm just gonna hold my iPad a little bit better, like that. Like okay, yeah. Let's just go with that. Let's just go with that. Okay, so let's go on the hunt. Hello, mother. I will now present you with this. This is a bunch of spring rolls, as you can see, a couple floppy disks, and a disturbing picture. What do you have to say to this gift?
Why are you doing this?
Is it not hilarious?
No, it's stupid.